Let's feed him a mango.
It's not a flamingo. It's a blue heron. See, he looks kind of blue. Aw, I wonder if he likes Cheerios.
It's sad.
Why is he sad? He wants his mommy. Here, you want to give him some more Cheerios? Wow, I've never seen a blue heron hang out. Don't fall in. He's nervous? Why do you think he's nervous? Wow, that was cool. Was he happy? That's neat. It is neat. Did you like seeing the blue heron too? Yeah?